Hi students, welcome to the online classes. In this lecture, we are going to discuss AC fundamentals. In this, we are going to discuss power stored in capacitive circuit. That you can see here, current and voltage waveforms. This is the voltage waveform starting at 0 voltage. Okay, current is starting here. If you see exactly how the waveform will be, this is the time. Okay, this is voltage and current. If you see voltage is given like this. This one and this one will be same actually. This is the voltage waveform, and current here it mentioned like this. It is starting from here. Let me take green. Okay, it is starting from here and moving like this, and it is like this. If you see properly, actually it is going to start here, then only it will reach to here. Means in capacitive circuit, this is the voltage, this is the current. Voltage is started at 0, current is started 90 degrees earlier. वोल्टेज आने से पहले करंट आएगा. रेसिस्टर में वोल्टेज, this one is here. In resistor, voltage is like this and current is like here. In case of inductor, voltage is here and current is lagging by 90 degrees. In case of capacitor, here you can see voltage is here, current will be leading by 90 degrees. 90 degrees. This is how the waveform is. Okay, we'll go next. Now you can see here, when the capacitor is like this and we are applying some voltage, this is a capacitor, we are applying some voltage small v, that is equals to Vm sin omega t. Okay, in this we have one standard formula for charge. Charge on capacitor, formula equals to Q equals to C into V. We have C into V, small v. What is the V value? Vm sin omega t. Okay, from this, if suppose if dq means dq is the small amount of charge accumulated in capacitor during small time dt at instantaneous current at instant when current is high. For this you can write dq is the instantaneous charge that is stored during the current I and time dt. हम लोग इतना छोटा टाइम में स्मॉल थोड़ा टाइम में थोड़ा करंट कैपेसिटर को अंदर हम लोग सप्लाई करेंगे तब थोड़ा सा चार्ज इसमें स्टोर हो जाएगा. ये फॉर्मूला का मतलब ये है. अभी I इक्वल्स टू dq by dt. What is the q value? Here we have q value. Okay, I am taking this q value. Q equals to d by dt of c into Vm sin omega t. If you differentiate, we will get this sin omega will come forward. Okay, I will write like this: c and Vm constant. The differentiation of sin omega t will become omega cos omega t. Differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. Differentiation of a sin theta is sin a theta is differentiation of sin a theta, a cos a theta. Okay, like that it will come. This is the I value. Now here you can see. Now I am taking this I value here. I equals to, I am writing omega at front. I equals to c. I equals to omega c into Vm into cos omega t. We can write cos omega t like this: cos omega t equals to sin omega t plus pi by 2. This is plus pi by 2. Here this value, in case of resistor, it is sin omega t. In case of inductor, it is sin omega t minus. Okay, let me write. You need to remember this. In case of inductor, it is sin omega t minus pi by t. In case of capacitor, it is sin omega t plus pi by t. Here itself you can see there is no phase difference. This is in phase, but here in this the value is here it is delaying with 90 degree. It is leading with 90 degrees. This is how it is going to differ in resistor, inductor and capacitor. Now current reaches maximum value when the current is going to reach its maximum value is when sin omega t plus pi by 2 is equals to 1. Current reaches to its maximum value. At that time Im current maximum equals to omega c into Vm. This is the value. This we can write as I equals to Im sin omega t plus pi by 2. Okay, from here we can see I equals to Im sin omega t plus pi by 2. From here, what is the value of Im? Im equals to I average by 0.707, comma Vm equals to V average by 0.707. I already told this is the RMS values. If you convert this to average values, this is the formula. In this, now you can see Im, we have in previous slide Im equals to C omega into C into Vm. Okay, omega into C into Vm. Here, what is Im value? I by 0.707 equals to omega into C into Vm value V by 0.707. In this 0.707 will get cancelled from both sides. Okay, after that we will get only I value. I equals to omega C into V, and we have one more formula, that is capacitive reactance XC equals to 1 by omega C. Inductive reactance XL equals to W into L. These two are the capacitive reactance and inductive reactance formulas. Now we will use this XC. We can write like this: V by 1 by omega C. 1 by omega C means again it will come here only. So just for introducing this XC, I am writing like this. We can write I equals to V by XC. Okay, this is the current formula in capacitor. Okay, and what is the value of XC omega C? If you see this one further, omega equals to 2 pi f. Okay, omega equals to 2 pi f. If you substitute that omega value here, 1 by 2 pi f into C. 1 by 2 pi f into C. Okay, this is the reactance value. I am making it round off. Now we will continue this. Now we will check the power formula. Okay, before going for power formula, you can see this diagram. Here we have this diagram, power in capacitive circuit. We already discussed about this phasor diagram. Voltage is moving here, current is coming here. Now you can check this. This is the voltage waveform. It is starting here. Current is going to start somewhere here. In general, current is going to start somewhere here. It will be like that. So current is going to start 90 degrees earlier. This is the phi, means 180 degree. This is a 90 degree. Like this. So here you can see from 0 to 90 voltage is positive and current is also positive. From 90 to 180 current is positive, voltage is positive, current is negative. So because of this, when here 2 is here, at this time -2, here 2, here -2, total will become 0. Suppose means 4 minus 4, you will get 0, like how it is. Okay, we can see that one clearly. Now we will calculate the power. What is power formula? V into I. Just now we got V equals to V is equals to Vm sin omega t. I equals to Im sin omega t plus pi by 2. Okay. From this we can write Vm into Im into sin omega t of sin omega t plus pi by 2. Here we can see Vm into Im into sin omega t. We can write this value as cos omega t. Okay. We have one formula. Here we have one formula. Sin 2 theta equals to 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. In this, if you take sin theta cos theta equals to 1 by 2 sin 2 theta. Here in place of theta we are taking omega t. Okay. Here you can see in place of sin omega t cos omega t we can write 1 by 2 sin omega t. Vm Im 1 by 2 sin 2 omega t. That we can write as Vm Im by 2 sin 2 omega t. This is the power formula. If you see this value Vm, this value here, this is the power formula in case of capacitor, but the average value of if you calculate the average value of Vm Im by 2 sin 2 omega t is equals to 0. The average value of this one is 0. This is why we will say power in capacitor is 0. Here I will give you 3 values. So power formula in first we will see resistor in resistor power formula, that is we got the value power equals to Vm Im by 2 minus Vm Im by 2 into cos 2 omega t, that is equals to Vm Im by 2 minus 0. We have Vm Im by 2 in case of resistor. If you see the power value in case of inductor, We got the power value in inductor, that is power P equals to Vm Im by 2 into sine 2 omega t. This is the 0. In case of capacitor, we got, just now we discussed, the power formula is Vm Im by 2 sine 2 omega t. This is also 0. In resistor only we can have some power. In inductor and capacitor we will get 0 power. Means these are going, inductor is going to dissipate energy. Here if we see, this is the voltage, sorry, this is the scale which we have. Here I am taking this. This is the voltage waveform. Voltage, here also voltage is same. This is the voltage. Here I am taking voltage. This is the voltage. Okay. Now next I will take current. This is the current in phase. Current in inductor, current is going to start from 90 degrees delay. Current will come like this. If you complete the waveform, it will come like this. Okay, means 90 degrees lagging. This is I. In case of capacitor, it is 90 degrees leading. Means it will start somewhere here. Here the angle is 90 degrees. Next, if we see power, here the power value is, this is the power value. Power. This one is current. Okay. Now we are discussing power. Here the power is, during this time, power is like this. From 90 to here the power is like this. Here it is like this. Next it will go back. This is the power in case of, sorry, I wrote wrongly. The power from at starting, the power will result in negative direction. Power, because this is in negative, this is in positive, and these two are in positive, it will go positive, and these two are negative, it will go negative. This is a power waveform in case of inductor. In case of capacitor, it will start here. positive, negative, positive, negative. Averagely power will become 0 in inductive circuits and capacitive circuits. Okay.